Welcome to Project Mini. Just going to try, just give it a quick wash. Now I'm going to try and get the carbon off the tailpipe trims. I'm going to use wheel acid for this. I've recently done a decoke on the engine, so there is quite a lot of carbon involved, and obviously it's going to come out the tailpipes. So give it a quick dose with this, let it soak in and see how much it'll actually bring off. That's been soaking for a few minutes now. I've just got a quick brush. Going to get an old toothbrush in there now, just to get the really hard bits off the bottom. And then I'm thinking I'll probably try a Scotch-Brite, because I've got a lot of this off. This has done, it's done over 100,000 miles, so this carbon will have been on there a long time. It's got the N14 engine, which is renowned for what should we say, consuming oil a little bit. Let that soak in a bit more. Right, it's been soaking in for about 10 minutes. Just give it a quick rinse off. It's not made masses of headway. I think it's time to try Scotch-Brite and see what they come up with then. Okay, this is a red Scotch-Brite. There's grey as well. It's almost like a Brillo type material. Red is the coarsest, if you know what I mean. I'm guessing it's not going to get all of it off. But I'll give it a few minutes, keep it on cleaning and see how we get on. Right, that's had a decent scrub with a red Scotch-Brite. I should give it a quick rinse off. It's getting there. I mean, there's a big difference from that to that one. As I say, I don't think I'm going to get that off the bottom. It's probably a bit corroded, that, but I'll try a bit more, and I'll have got the other one, and then see how good we can get. Right, the Scotch-Brite was doing a lot of it, but I've decided to resort to a Stanley knife blade for the really tough carbon. Closure is if you don't like metal on metal, but that seems to work quite well on the baked in carbon around the edge. So I've done that one, and up close it's, you know, it's okay, and from a distance for the age of the car it's probably going to be okay. So I'll keep going with this, keep on putting a bit more wheel acid on every now and again, and then we shouldn't be far off then. There we go, that's the finished article. Just give it a quick wipe off with some just normal polish, but I don't think that looks bad really. Car's 13-year-old, 100,000 mile, and certainly from a distance they look pretty good, particularly from what they started from anyway.